Why are conditional statements in Python held in such high regard? That's the question we're going to unravel today. To master Python or any programming language, understanding conditional statements is crucial. Among these, the if-else condition is a fundamental concept that forms the backbone of decision-making in code. The if statement in Python tests a specific condition. If the condition holds true, the code under the if statement executes. Think of it as the decision to turn left at the crossroads because you want to reach the supermarket. The syntax for an if statement is straightforward. Write if followed by the condition and then a colon. The code that should run if the condition is met comes next, indented under the if statement. But what if you want to go to the park instead of the supermarket? That's where the else part comes into play. The else statement in Python covers all the conditions not met by the if statement. If the if condition turns out to be false, Python executes the code under the else statement. It's like choosing to turn right at the crossroads to go to the park because the supermarket isn't your destination. To use the else statement, write else, followed by a colon, and then the code that should run if the if condition fails, indented under the else. Here's the beauty of Python's if-else condition. It allows your code to respond differently depending on various inputs or situations, just like you'd make different turns at the crossroads depending on your destination. To recap, Python's if-else condition is a fundamental tool for decision-making in code. The if statement checks a condition and executes a block of code if the condition is true. If the condition is not met, the else statement takes over and runs a different block of code. This dynamic duo of if and else ensures that your code can adapt to various scenarios and make decisions accordingly. It's like having a built-in GPS in your code that can figure out which way to go based on the current conditions. Remember, the power of Python's if-else condition lies in its ability to facilitate decision-making in your code. So next time you find yourself at a coding crossroads, you'll know which way to turn. So that's the if-else condition in Python explained. It's simple, it's powerful, and most importantly, it's a necessary tool in every programmer's arsenal. Master it and you're well on your way to becoming a Python pro.